Tap Online Interpretation and start. Open a meeting app. Translation starts automatically. You can also start the meeting first, then enable online interpretation. Translations play automatically. Tap the bottom icon to turn off audio playback. Tap Stop to end translation. The meeting continues. If not stopped, translation ends automatically when the meeting ends. Closing the floating window does not stop translation. Go back to the page and tap Stop to end it.